Hello guys, good day. My name is Chris and thank you for visiting my channel, ENC Flips. I share my thrift store, garage sale, and other treasure. Sometimes I do retail arbitrage also, and I have some replenishment also. And yeah, today I just make this video. This might help you if you're new or beginner. If you're already selling on eBay, I think you do this one, but you never know. You might learn something. Okay, so in this video we're gonna be shipping, and I'll explain to you if you're a newbie or a beginner. This will gonna help you a little, and yeah, some tips also at the end of the video. Okay, so first, this one. This is selling, guys, because it's a ornament, so this is selling. So it's a Christmas time. They still have 10 days. Today is December 15th, so we have still 10 days to go. So this one, I'll just bubble wrap it, and it comes into 4 ounce. So I saved a lot of shipping costs in there, but so far I don't have problem shipping the bubble wrap. So guys, hope remember first class, it's 16 ounce below or under. Okay, make sure when you do shipping. So 1, 2, 3. If you see my video yesterday about pirate ship, take a look at it. I give some tips over there how to save shipping costs using pirate ship, and also what I did this week. So next is this is my replenishment. Replenishable. So this one. Big margin, guys, so it's selling. It's really selling. Each sale. So by the way, guys, if you're new also, what I do is I print label first. I mark them down. I put the mark on it. Also, like this one, it's a 2 box. So I put it there, and also I pack them first also before, and that way they're printing. So it might work for you or not. Try it. It might work for you, it's good. If not, that's okay. Find your own ways. How you gonna ship first? Okay. Yep. So the key in selling in eBay, guys, is really posting good quality items. Good quality items, and make sure you, before you buy, make sure take a look at the sold comps. Okay, sold comps. I have a video also linked below on how to figure out how much you can sell it, your target price, buying price, after fees, how much you're gonna earn, something like that. So I have videos also. I have a playlist there in my YouTube channel. There's a playlist. There's AB training that's for free. Go over there. If you're a beginner, you're not gonna have to. Okay. I put some shipping tips there. When you sold an item, or how to list an item. So I'll be putting it's for free. So if you're a beginner, I just share my knowledge. Because when I started, I watched a lot of videos. Of course, we need to improve our knowledge of certain things if we're serious. Mostly I do play tape. Guys, okay, by the way, I made 3, right? That's why I used 3 inches because I'm gonna cover all thing. See, cover the bottom and the top. Okay, so we're gonna save you time. If you're big already, you can use thermal printer. Easier and quicker because you just get the shipping label and just paste it. I mean, you just stick with it. Yeah, I have a thermal printer. I love this. Doing this. I don't have a lot of sales. It's okay. I'm still small, but you never know. I'm gonna go big after 6 months or more. So, this one is a retail arbitrage, and this is this is actually this is only 6 months. So, yep, 6 ounces and 14 ounces. And by the way, guys, for the first class, you need to remember the bracket is 4 ounces, 8 ounces, 12 ounces per ounce. Alright, so make sure you experiment with it. Okay, this is the tip, guys. This one is Poshmark sale. So I don't do a lot in Poshmark. Mostly I do consider. I mostly do eBay, but I post some Poshmark also. If it's clothing, toys, it can be sold in Poshmark. So yeah, this one is Poshmark. The good thing in Poshmark guys is this one is free box from USPS and up to 5 pounds. So this one, even though this one is just only a pound plus, but see, I use this one. It's free box, and yeah, just put it in a bubble wrap, put it there. As long as it's less than 5 pounds, ship it. Right? So that's the tips. Also, the if you have more time, try to cross post. I cross post in eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace. Right? One I have sold item in Facebook Marketplace also. And good thing for Facebook Marketplace, there's no fees as if you know. So it means there's no selling fees. And also people trust also Facebook. So yeah. So far I have mostly Facebook. Before it's just only for big items or just local. Now they offer shipping. Good. The rate is good also. Shipping cost is good. Yeah. Try it. And also I have some video also how to this first post. We're done with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 items, guys. 7 items. But Q4 is good. This is my first Q4 in eBay. So far it's doing great. Everything is selling. As long as you do posting, if possible, every day, do it. Me, I can do it. I have some drop. What I do is I have plenty of time. I clean it up first, put it in my drop, and if I have time, if I'm just in my work, if I'm just looking at them, because I work as a caregiver and administrator also. So while I'm waiting for them to finish everything, so what I do is in my phone and just list it. If you have your laptop, better, because it's gonna be quicker to post everything. You just upload your pictures and yeah, put it in the draft in your Facebook. eBay. Then after that, put it in the draft in your Facebook, Mercari, and Poshmark. And if you have a laptop, it's more easier because once you finish on your eBay, it's be quicker too. And I'll show you also. There's a link below if you can. There's a link below how to cross post. And yeah, hopefully it will gonna help you guys. Right? So this is our shipping. And oh, by the way, quick note, guys. Okay, if you're a newbie, remember first class less than a pound. This one is 15.5 pounds, so I use poly bag. It's cheaper, okay? So after that one, for example, this one is 1.5 pounds. So I use flat rate, okay? So flat rate envelope, it fits here, it will ship, okay, up to 70 pounds. And after this one, there's a padded envelope. Padded envelope, you need to order that online right away. This one you can get this in USPS office, right? So make sure you order that one because mostly you use the this one and this one. Depends on your item. If you're doing clothing, mostly poly bag. This one, padded envelope. And this one, you can get the boxes and you can order also online, right? So hopefully, guys, that I'm gonna help you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want more videos, go to my eBay training. There's a link below. Right? So have a good day and God bless.